Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play online on Wii. While official Nintendo Wi-Fi connection services ended several years ago, a dedicated community has created a fantastic alternative. You can still enjoy many of your favorite Wii games online through fan-made servers. This process involves a few straightforward steps, allowing you to reconnect with friends and other players. It's a wonderful way to extend the life of your beloved console. To get started, you'll need your Wii console connected to the internet, either wirelessly or via an Ethernet adapter. You'll also need a game that is supported by the custom online service, as not all titles are compatible. Additionally, an SD card or a USB drive with at least 128 megabytes of free space is typically required to transfer necessary files to your console. These are the fundamental tools for bringing your Wii online again. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile. Add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to the mixture. For a touch of tang and sweetness, incorporate 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Whisk all these new additions thoroughly until they are fully integrated, ensuring every spoonful bursts with balanced flavor. Once set up, you can enjoy a wide array of classic Wii games online, including popular titles like Mario Kart Wii and Super Smash Bros. Brawl. This fantastic service is entirely free, sustained by a passionate community of volunteers dedicated to keeping these games alive. Remember that compatibility varies between games, so it's always a good idea to check which titles are supported. Dive back into the fun and relive those memorable online gaming moments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.